Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping the metal detector and ensuring it has charge. This matters because signal strength varies with battery level. Once done, open the in-game map and pick a hotspot like beaches or construction sites. These spawn more items. Position yourself facing the target area and press the detector key. Move slowly in short sweeps while watching visual pulses and listening for increasing tones. If the beep intensifies, stop and narrow your arc. That tells you the approximate bearing and distance. Once you get a consistent signal, slow down and sweep in 1 to 2 meter arcs. You need fine control because pitch and LED intensity reveal proximity. Make sure to crouch or use slow walk. This reduces false positives and lets the detector lock on. Then triangulate by taking short, overlapping sweeps from different angles. When tone and LED max out, you know the spot. Finally, dig or trigger the pickup action. Doing this steadily prevents missed spawns or wasted digs. You wrap up by collecting the found loot and confirming it entered your inventory. Unique items may auto-trigger objectives. If you encounter silence, make sure the detector is equipped and reset it. Then move 5 to 10 meters and sweep again because spawns are location dependent. If the detector still fails, reload the area or relog to clear a possible bug. As a final tip, avoid sprinting while sweeping. Fast movement masks tones and reduces detection accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.